How to log into HSBC bank account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna see the search box. Type in HSBC bank login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option. Welcome to online banking, log on. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your HSBC bank account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. Firstly, go ahead and type in your username. If you want to remember your username, check in for this option of Remember Me. In the case you have forgotten your username, click on this option and recover it. Once you fill this, click on Continue, and in the next page you'll need to type in your password and then click on Done. With that, you will be logged into your account. This way you can easily log into HSBC bank account. In the case you haven't registered for your online banking, you can click on this option and go through the process. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.